short and to the point, like how I was running through the night, how I was running through the day today, any unforeseen challenges, how's your body held up, anything else? Any surprises? Ready for a good time?
Let's do this.
Halfway turnaround point.
5 down and the puts in to go.
Okay. My name is Max, local Gold Coast boy, born and raised. I did it again.
Yeah, so it's challenge started by David Goggins, and the original form of the challenge is 4 miles every 4 hours for 48 hours. But some people from my run club were doing 10Ks instead of the 6Ks that 4 miles would be, and I thought that would be a good challenge. 10K is a nice even number.
Essentially, it's a number of different legs, and we'll have different people coming in and joining us. Tushy's been on me to do this for about a year now, so eventually I just had to give in. He twisted my arm. All right, welcome home, Tushy.
All right, Talia, how does it feel being the first guest on the show?
I'm honoured.
Let's go. Yeah, I think the hardest part's getting started. So it's a bit different to running a long race in one go where you're just in it and you're grinding, whereas 10Ks at a time is not too bad, but then fueling up, resting up, and then 3 hours later back into it, that sort of shift in mentality has been a bit tough, but 100 extra meters.
Leg 4, we had a pretty shit sleep. So we had a big cook up and tried to get some rest in. But as Tushy was telling me, you're not going to get any REM sleep, yada, yada, yada. So you're just kind of having these light sleeps and not really, it's not that restorative. It's like an hour and then you're back out there. Better than nothing, I guess. But...
Yeah, it's the weekend last. Doing good.
It's good.
Rose needs to do it.
Oh, dude, she fucking sucks. She wants to do psych, and she just sucks.
Yeah, I think the wake ups are that alarm's gonna be pretty brutal, like at midnight and 4 a.m. But yeah, that's all part of it, isn't it?
At the end of leg 4, you're definitely starting to just slip into this no man's land, kind of sailing off into the horizon.
It's very poetic.
It's really Shakespeare.
All right, that's good. That's good. Let's leave it there.
Tell us about the Shakespeare.
We're not talking about Shakespeare. Taking this mic off. Fucked up.
We are?
You never know when you're going to be on camera. Halfway through the midnight lake, Tushy. It's a slow one. Still half asleep.
Yeah.
How was it out there?
That was hard, man.
Morning. Closing in. Round 7. Welcome back, Ephy.
Welcome.
It's been 24 hours since we saw you last. Feels good to be here. Firstly, it's been a pretty long 24 hours. The day 2 definitely was a lot more challenging than day 1. Primarily the sleep deprivation was what caught us out the most, I would say.
I didn't know how hard it was going to be, which is part of the reason I wanted to do it, because can't speak, from a place of wisdom or knowledge about how hard things are until you push the boundaries. So that's one of the reasons for embarking on it. But it's been hard, probably harder than I thought it would be. But that's exactly why we do it.
Yeah.
One off, and then you can really count them down. 3 more.
As in get this one done.
Yeah, then you got 3 more.
Yeah, that's true.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers, brother. How you feeling, Lucky?
Really excited.
Yes,
Big dog.
I'm so impressed by you boys, honestly. Holy shit, you're still going.
Barely,
What
bro.
the hell?
Barely.
Holy shit. Nice to meet you. See you later, man.
That was a 10K.
Nah, we're a little bit further up to the headland. Halfway.
Halfway. Let's go.
Strong finish, lads.
Let's go.
Well done, chaps.
Yeah, it's tough. It's a few things. It's sort of like hungry but can't eat. It's like sore but got to run more. It's tired but can't sleep, and it's a combination of all of those things. But close to the end, so there's a bit of hope and excitement. But it's hard to rest because you got that. You got to G up again and do another 10K. Last one.
Hello.
How are we feeling?
Well done, Tushy.
It's halfway there.
Final leg, Tushy.
Let's get it done.
What's been the biggest takeaway from doing this?
I may have to reflect on that when I'm slightly more cognitively intact. Not too sure what my takeaways are, other than think wisely before you embark on this.